Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to change your ringtone for your iPhone. Go ahead and make your way to settings. From settings, go to sounds and haptics. From there, tap on ringtone. By default, your ringtone will be set to reflection. From there, all you have to do to simply adjust the ringtone is tap on a different themed ringtone, where it'll also allow you to preview, such as this. Once you have that down, all you have to do is tap on back, and you can see that the ringtone name has changed from reflection to beacon. So on your next phone call, assuming that you have your ringer on, it's going to be that new alert notification. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.